This video is about laminar flow. Ooh.
Yeah, I guess that was a good enough intro, you know. I always like starting off with a bang. This video is about laminar flow, and I thought, what better way to introduce a new concept to a bunch of sleepy high school students than by using a 3-paragraph long definition from Britannica, which reads as follows. Laminar flow, type of fluid, gas or liquid, flow in which the fluid travels smoothly or in regular paths, in contrast to turbulent flow, in which the fluid undergoes irregular blah 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 blah. Okay, here, fine. I'll actually explain it to you. So, laminar flow can most easily be described as a bunch of fluid particles all going in the same direction with no pressure changes or any like velocity changes or anything, and it's all the same. Sort of like how fluid like water would be going through a pipe. To give a better example of this visually, I went outside in 20-degree weather when it was snowing because I thought it would look cool. Obviously that wasn't the best choice.
Hey, Jacob!
Yeah?
And I popped open a balloon with some water in it. And as you can see, when I walk closer, it kind of looks like it's sitting still, or it's frozen, or it looks kind of like glass. But when you touch it, it still acts like water. And that's because of laminar flow. The balloons act in such a way where all of the water is pushed out evenly and in the same direction. And the shape of the nozzle helps shape the weird glassy kind of look that you see. And as a side note, I probably should have had the balloon sitting on a table because holding it kind of ruins the illusion because it's moving. Sorry, my fault, my bad guys.
Sick.
And the other thing you should know about is called turbulent flow. Turbulent flow is basically when the pressure or the direction of the fluid is not even and there are opposing forces. In this clip here you can see that at the bottom of the screen the water starts to fray and separate more and become more erratic. This more or less is turbulent flow. And while laminar flow and turbulent flow usually do go hand in hand, that's pretty much all you need to know about it. And seeing as 3 minutes is coming up, I have to be really quick about the Reynolds number, which is basically a number that helps to find if a fluid will be more laminar or more turbulent by using things like the viscosity, velocity, or density of the fluid. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.